my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, here's what we did. We've been using social media all week, so I grabbed a couple of people out on social media that I want to bring up here on stage. We already have them back here. Corey Hedinger and Chris Olson. Come on up here, guys. All right. Tell us your name, what church you go to.
I'm Corey Hedinger, and I'm from Christ Community Church.
All right, all right. All right. Tell us your name, what church you're from.
I'm Chris Olson, and I'm from First E Free in Minneapolis.
First E Free, Minneapolis. Now, I am a child of the 80s, and in the 80s, I would dominate Rubik's Cube, so I'm going to challenge you guys to a game of Rubik's Cube. Are you down with this? All right, I'm going to set my microphone down. On the count of 3, you can pick up your cube, and we're going to see who's fastest, all right? 1, 2, 3, go! Are you done? You didn't do that. Give me a second. I'm gonna mess this up. You're cheating. So I guess I come in third. Hey, actually, these guys are really good at Rubik's Cube. How long have you been doing it?
Since 6th grade. I'm currently a senior.
6th grade. And Chris, tell us a little bit about you and the Rubik's Cube.
I've been doing it for 6 years. I'm a 3-time world record holder. I recently lost it about 4 months ago, but I'm pretty sure I will take it back in about 2 weeks at Nationals.
Mix those up. So we're gonna have Chris blow our mind here in a second. Let me. Can you grab that one? Chris is going to. How quickly, Chris, do you think you're going to be able to solve all 3 of these cubes?
It will take me roughly 45 seconds.
45 seconds. And tell us. that is ridiculous. I can't mess this cube up in 45 seconds. Tell us what specifically. You want to just surprise us, or you want to tell us how you're going to do this? All right, here we go. Everybody, camera. I'm just gonna step away. Come on back here. Let's let him do his work. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ridiculous. I've decided this game is dumb. I don't think I can mess it up with one hand. All right, let's give it up for these 2 guys.